Dear Archer, as your therapist, I've been blessed to know you and your family for over 8 years. This month, when you turn 16, I will have known you for half of your life. In that time, I've watched a timid, shy boy, only able to say simple 2-word phrases, grow into a young man that is able to lead his church in song, hold engaging conversations, and participate in a variety of social activities. When we began speech therapy, you loved the movie Cars and anything Lightning McQueen and Mater. I realized then that to connect with you, we needed to work our therapy around your interests. This meant that we did puzzles and other activities that revolved around the characters you loved so much. The other day, I heard the song Roar by Katy Perry on the radio, and it made me think of you. When you were diagnosed with apraxia and DeLange syndrome, doctors told your parents that you might never speak. I am so proud to say that you have proven them wrong by showing the world how loud you can roar. Archer, one of your many talents is that you are able to make others happy with your smile and personality. You are friends with anyone you meet, no matter if they are the children or therapists at the preschool. I love seeing you interact with them by answering questions, eliciting conversations, and joking back and forth. It's amazing to me how eager you are to explore and learn new things. Every goal you meet, you exceed. This is just proof of the hard work that you've put in year after year. I am so proud that you recently tested at age-appropriate levels for language skills. I know you will stay motivated, conquer your goals, and continue to reach for the stars. Thank you for letting me be a part of your journey. Love, Sarah.